The provisional cutoff for the NEET UG Counselling 2026, especially round 1, has been released last night, and now the actual cutoff data will be released by today's evening. But there is no much difference, and in today's video we are going to decode the NEET UG 2026 Counselling All India cutoffs for the Karnataka MBBS 2026. We'll be comparing the highest closing rank for the entry into different government medical colleges of Karnataka, considering the 2026 data and 2025 data, and we'll be also analyzing whether the competition has eased or increased. Welcome back to Medical 360, and today's video is going to be about the highest closing rank cutoffs for the All India Counselling data for Karnataka MBBS 2026. Before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to Medical 360, and also we are thankful to SRM Medical College Hospital and Research Institute affiliated by SRM University based in Chennai in Tamil Nadu for sponsoring this video so that we can bring all the information updates related to NEET UG Counselling 2026 admission process instantly to you. Before we begin the round 1 analysis for the Karnataka MBBS government medical colleges, I need to introduce you to the team of the counselors sitting over here to guide the best medical colleges of India. Yes, what you have to do is you have to send NEET on WhatsApp number, or you can call on this number. The number is 8130376334, and you can ask or question the counselors regarding all your doubts related to NEET 2026 counselling process. What is state counselling? What is the difference between state counselling and AIQ counselling, whether I should prefer AIQ counselling, whether I should prefer state counselling, and for this you need to provide the basic All India rank, category rank and state rank data to the counselors, and instantly they will be solving all your problems, they'll be resolving all your problems. A lot of students have confusion related to NEET 2026 counselling process because obviously it is a complicated procedure, and for the beginners, especially for the freshers especially, it is a very challenging task. But once you come in touch with the counselors sitting at Careers 360 team, they will make it very easy for you. We also have Careers 360 NEET College Predictor tool. You can clearly see the link. The link is mentioned in the description box. You can click on the link. You can enter your All India rank, category rank and state rank, and you will be shown a list of choices you can apply for during the NEET UG 2026 counselling process. Now, before we begin analysis of the round 1 cutoffs for the Karnataka government medical colleges for MBBS 2026, let us quickly go through the last year data at which the admission closed in the GMCs of Karnataka and this year data at which the admission in the government medical colleges closed in the NEET UG counselling process of round 1. So here we are comparing the round 1 data. This is the round 1 data for 2025. This is the round 1 data for 2026. And this is the name of the college in which the admission has closed at the highest cutoff or the maximum rank this year. Talking about the general or the open category, last year the admission in Karnataka MBBS closed at 16,640 rank through AIQ counselling process. This is an all India rank, remember that. And this year the admission has closed for the general or the open category at 18,415. So for the general or the open candidates, it has been a good news that they have received a relaxation in the cutoffs. Last year 16,640, this year 18,415. So there has been an increment of approximately 2,000 ranks, and this has been due to the drop in the competition pool as well as increase in the number of the government medical seats in Karnataka. The admission at this rank has closed in Yadgiri Institute of Medical Sciences in Karnataka. If I talk about EWS category, for the EWS category last year the highest rank or the maximum rank at which the admission closed in MBBS in Karnataka was 23,078. This year it has closed at 25,025 in Chitradurga Medical College in Karnataka. If I talk about the OBC candidates, 17,557 was the maximum or the highest rank at which the admission for any OBC candidate closed in the Karnataka state through the NEET 2025 counselling process, AIQ counselling process, and this year the admission for the OBC candidate has closed at 20,327 rank, maximum rank at which the admission has closed for an OBC candidate this year in the round 1 of the counselling process. This is also the round 1 data of last year. This is the round 1 data of this year which we have freshly received. Next, if I talk about the SC candidates, last year for the SC candidate for the round 1 of the AIQ counselling process, the maximum rank or the highest rank at which the admission in the Karnataka MBBS closed was 1,02,160. This year it has closed at 97,968. Last year for the ST candidate, the admission closed at 1,27,896, and this year it has closed at 1,13,617. So from these figures, you can clearly see that the cutoff data has been relaxing, or the competition has become easier for the general EWS on OBC category, but the competition has tightened for SC and ST candidates, specifically talking about the Karnataka state, where the general EWS and OBC candidates have approximately received a relaxation of almost 2,000 ranks in their cutoffs for the admission in the Karnataka MBBS colleges. The case is absolutely opposite for SC and ST candidates. Their cutoffs have become tightened, or they have shrunken by almost 3,000 or 4,000 ranks. Now, the admission for the SC and the ST candidates has closed in Yadgiri Institute of Medical Sciences in Karnataka. And now we'll be discussing about all the 24 government medical colleges which we have in Karnataka. We'll be comparing the cutoff data for the year 2026 as well as for the year 2025. The highest cutoff at which the admission has closed in that particular college only for the open or the general category. If you want an enhanced picture and enhanced overview of all the categories EWS, OBC, SC and ST, you can contact with a counselor sitting over here and they will give you a better picture about this. So let me introduce you with all the data that we are going to explain in this video now. We have the college or the institute name or the government medical college's name on the left hand side. Then we have the highest cutoff rank for the admission into that respective college. For example, we have 1774 as the cutoff for the year 2026 for round 1 of the NEET UG 2026 counselling for Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute. This clearly means that the admission has shut down for the open category in Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute at this particular rank. They haven't entertained anyone beyond this rank in their college. This is the data of last year. Last year, the admission into Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute closed at a rank of 1,338, and this year it has closed at a rank of 1,774. So again, there has been a relaxation of 400 ranks in this data. And this is the highest closing rank of 2025. Now, what is the difference between this? This is only the data of round 1. This is the highest closing rank, means this is the highest value of the rank at which the admission into this respective college has closed, considering all the rounds of counselling, round 1, round 2 and round 3. So, if the admission last year in round 1 closed at 1338, so by round 3 it closed at 1642. So this year you can expect the admission for Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute to be pushed at least till 2100 All India rank. Next, we have ESIC Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences and Research located in Bangalore. The highest cutoff for the round 1 for the NEET 2026 counselling, AIQ counselling process is 5115 for this college. 4951 was the cutoff for the last year of round 1 of AIQ counselling, and 9180 was the highest closing rank for 2025. So this year you can expect that by round 3, the admission might get closed by 9,000 or 10,000 approximately. Mysore Medical College and Research Institute, one of the ancient, most prestigious and prominent or significant medical colleges our nation has, and holds an ancient history of high clinical exposure, high medical volume and experienced faculties. This year, the admission into this college in the round 1 of the counselling process closed at 4,060. Last year, it closed around 3,087. Next, we have ESIC Medical College, Gulbarga. This year, the admission has closed at a rank of 10,790 into this college. Last year, the admission closed at a rank of 10,190. And by round 3 last year, the admission closed at 14,381. Next, we have Karnataka Institute of Medical Sciences, Hubli. This year, the admission has closed in the round 1 of the AIQ counselling process at 6,256 rank. Last year, the admission into this college by round 1 closed at a rank of 5,413. So if I see the data, compare the data of the round 1 of 2026 and 2025, I can clearly figure out that there has been a significant relaxation seen in the highest cutoffs or the highest closing rank of each of these respective government medical colleges which are located in Karnataka, which is a great news for all the NEET aspirants who had been applying for the government medical colleges in Karnataka. Let us talk about the another set of government medical colleges in Karnataka. We have Belgaum Institute of Medical Sciences located in Belgaum. For the open category, this year the admission has closed at 9,305. Last year it closed at 7,756. Last year the admission was pushed by round 3 of the counselling to 15,950. This year you can expect that the admission might get closed by 18,000 by the last round of counselling. Next, we have Mandya Institute of Medical Sciences located in Mandya. This year the admission closed at a rank of 8,695. Last year the admission closed at a rank of 7,639. Next we have Shimoga Institute of Medical Sciences. This year the admission into this college has closed in round 1 at 10,943 rank. Last year it closed at a rank of 9,413. Next we have Hassan Institute of Medical Sciences. This year the admission into this college has closed at a rank of 9,614, and the highest closing rank last year with respect to NEET 2025 counselling was 8,923. Next we have Gulbarga Institute of Medical Sciences located in Kalaburagi. The highest closing rank for the admission with respect to round 1 of the NEET 2026 counselling process has been 14,131. Last year it was 10,554. Next we have Kodagu Institute of Medical Sciences. This year the admission has closed at a rank of 13,482 for the open category. Last year the admission closed at a rank of 12,096. Next we have Vijayanagar Institute of Medical Sciences located in Bellary. This year the admission into this college has closed at a rank of 11,615. Last year it closed at a rank of 11,026. There is a difference, but the difference is not that significant or huge. Okay. Now seeing each and every data, and if I see especially for Vijayanagar Institute of Medical Science, if this year the admission has closed at a rank of 11,615, last year also it closed at a similar rank, but by round 3 you can expect the admission to be pushed till 20,000 rank. So if you are still scoring under 20 or 23,000, and if you haven't received any government medical college yet, you can go for a fresh registration through round 2, or you can prefer an upgradation in that case. Now let us talk about the highest closing rank data for the round 1 of 2026 and 2025 for these mentioned colleges. We have Karwar Institute of Medical Sciences. This year the admission into this college closed at 17,372. Last year it closed at 13,408. Chamarajanagar Institute of Medical Sciences. This year the admission into this college closed at a rank of 15,575 for the open category. Last year it closed at a rank of 14,419. Next we have Chikkaballapur Institute of Medical Sciences. This year the admission closed at a rank of 16,478 for round 1 open category NEET 2026 or AIQ counselling process. Last year it closed at a rank of 12,520. Next we have Bidar Institute of Medical Sciences. The admission into this college for the open category closed at 16,205 this year. Last year it closed at 11,883. Next we have Chikmagaluru Institute of Medical Sciences. This year the admission or the highest cutoff for the entry into this college for the open category for round 1 has been 16,971. Last year it was 15,955. Next we have Garg Institute of Medical Sciences. Admission closed at a rank of 16,892 this year. Last year it closed at 14,287. And at last we have Raichur Institute of Medical Sciences. This year the admission closed at 16,771. Last year it closed at a rank of 13,573. So you can approximately see there has been a relaxation of 2 to 3,000 comparing the data of the round 1 of last year and comparing the data or the all India ranks or the cutoffs for the round 1 of NEET 2026 AIQ counselling process for the Karnataka government medical colleges this year. And now we have the last set of the government medical colleges which are available in this list. Let us compare their data quickly. We have Koppal Institute of Medical Sciences. Admission closed at a rank of 17,689 this year. Last year it closed at 15,274. And the maximum rank till which the admissions were pushed by round 3 of counselling last year was 23,455. Haveri Institute of Medical Sciences, 18,115 has been the highest cutoff for the open category for round 1 this year. Last year it was 15,509. Next we have Yadgir Institute of Medical Sciences. For the different categories, the maximum value rank or the highest ranks at which the admission have closed has been this institute that we have initially discussed in the beginning of the video. 18,415 has been the cutoff for the open or the general category for the admission into this college. Last year it was 16,640. Next we have Chitradurga Medical College and Research Institute. This year the admission closed at a rank of 18,095. Last year it closed at a rank of 16,313. And this year we have Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Medical College and Research Institute, and the highest cutoff with respect to round 1 of NEET 2026 counselling process has been 3,998. Let us await for the round 2, round 3, and then we can discover what can be the maximum closing rank for each of these colleges with respect to the Karnataka MBBS courses into these government medical colleges of AIQ counselling. And if you still have any doubt related to NEET UG 2026 counselling and admission process, you know what you have to do is you have to call on this given number, or you have to say NEET on this given number. Our counselors will call you back, they will reach you out, and they will help you resolve all your doubts related to the counselling process. Also, do not forget to subscribe to Medical360 for more such informative and amazing content. Thank you.